Have you ever wondered why people have different skin colors? It's a question that might seem simple at first glance, but it opens the door to a rich and complex story about our species. This question has fascinated scientists and philosophers for centuries. From the early days of human curiosity to the advanced genetic research of today, the quest to understand our differences has driven countless hours of study and debate. The answer lies in a fascinating journey through human evolution, a story written in our genes and painted on our skin. Our skin color is not just a superficial trait, it is a living record of our ancestors' journeys and the environments they encountered. Our planet is a tapestry of environments, each with its own unique challenges. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, the icy tundras to the temperate plains, every region has shaped the people who live there in profound ways. From the scorching savannas of Africa to the icy plains of the Arctic, humans have adapted to thrive in a remarkable range of conditions. These adaptations are not just about survival, they are about thriving, about finding ways to live and flourish in every corner of the globe. One of the most visible signs of these adaptations is the color of our skin. Skin color is influenced by the amount of melanin, a pigment that protects against the sun's ultraviolet rays. In sunnier climates, darker skin offers protection, while in areas with less sunlight, lighter skin helps in the production of vitamin D. Skin color is a testament to our shared human heritage and the incredible power of natural selection. It tells a story of migration, adaptation, and survival. It is a living map of where our ancestors have been and how they have lived. It's a reminder that we are all connected, descendants of ancestors who braved diverse landscapes and passed down the traits that helped them survive. Our differences are a celebration of our shared journey, a rainbow of humanity that spans the globe and the ages. As we look at the diverse faces around us, we see the beauty of human diversity. Each face tells a story of resilience, adaptation, and the unbreakable human spirit. We are all part of this incredible tapestry, each thread adding to the richness of the whole. Understanding the science behind our differences helps us appreciate the unity that underlies our diversity. It reminds us that despite our varied appearances, we share a common origin and a common destiny. We are all part of the same human family, bound together by the threads of our shared history. So the next time you see someone with a different skin color, remember the incredible journey that brought us all here. Celebrate the diversity that makes our world vibrant and beautiful. Embrace the rainbow of humanity and recognize the unity that lies beneath our differences. In the end, our differences are not just skin deep, they are a testament to the strength and adaptability of the human spirit. They are a celebration of our shared journey and a reminder that we are all connected in this beautiful, diverse world we call home. The key to understanding skin color lies in a pigment called melanin. This remarkable substance is responsible for the wide array of skin tones we see across the human population. But melanin's role goes far beyond just determining our appearance. Melanin is produced by specialized cells known as melanocytes, which reside in the epidermis, the outermost layer of our skin. These cells are like tiny factories, constantly working to produce melanin and distribute it throughout our skin. Think of melanin as a natural sunscreen, shielding our bodies from the sun's harmful ultraviolet or UV radiation. When our skin is exposed to sunlight, melanocytes ramp up melanin production to protect our DNA from UV damage, which can lead to skin cancer and other issues. Melanin comes in two main forms, eumelanin, which is brown or black, and pheomelanin, which is reddish-yellow. The balance between these two types of melanin determines our skin color. Eumelanin provides more effective protection against UV radiation, which is why people with darker skin tones who have more eumelanin are less susceptible to sunburn and skin cancer. On the other hand, pheomelanin offers less protection, making individuals with lighter skin more vulnerable to UV damage. The type and amount of melanin we possess are determined by our genes, which we inherit from our parents. These genetic factors are influenced by our ancestral origins and evolutionary history. For instance, populations that evolved in regions with intense sunlight tend to have higher levels of eumelanin. providing them with better protection against UV radiation. Over thousands of years, human skin color has adapted to varying levels of UV radiation around the world. This adaptation is a testament to the incredible versatility and resilience of the human body. Understanding melanin not only helps us appreciate the diversity of human skin tones, but also underscores the importance of protecting our skin from the sun's harmful rays. To grasp why skin color varies across the globe, we need to consider the powerful influence of sunlight. Sunlight is essential for life, providing the energy plants need for photosynthesis, the process that forms the base of our food chain. But sunlight also emits UV radiation, which can be harmful in high doses. UV radiation can damage DNA, the genetic blueprint of life, leading to skin cancer and other health problems. This is where melanin steps in. Melanin is a natural pigment found in our skin, hair, and eyes. It is produced by cells called melanocytes, which are located in the bottom layer of the skin's epidermis. The primary function of melanin is to protect our skin from the harmful effects of ultraviolet, UV radiation. Melanin acts like a protective shield, absorbing UV radiation and preventing it from penetrating deeper into the skin. This absorption process helps to reduce the risk of DNA damage, which can lead to skin cancer and other skin-related issues. In addition to its protective role, melanin also gives our skin its color, ranging from light to dark shades. The more melanin your skin produces, the darker your skin color and the greater your protection from the sun's harmful rays. This is why people with darker skin tones are less likely to experience sunburn compared to those with lighter skin tones. However, it's important to note that everyone, regardless of skin color, should take precautions when exposed to the sun for extended periods. People with darker skin tones, typically found in regions near the equator where sunlight is intense, have evolved to produce more melanin. This adaptation provides them with natural protection against the harsh UV radiation of tropical environments. Over generations, this evolutionary trait has helped to ensure the survival and health of populations living in sun-rich areas. This adaptation provides them with natural protection against the harsh UV radiation of tropical environments. However, it's crucial to remember that melanin alone is not enough to fully protect against UV damage. Using additional sun protection measures, such as wearing sunscreen, protective clothing, and seeking shade, is essential for everyone to maintain healthy skin and prevent long-term damage. Section 5. Adapting to the equator. Imagine our early human ancestors venturing out of the shade of the forest and into the open savannas of Africa. In these sun-drenched environments, individuals with darker skin would have had a survival advantage. Their higher melanin levels would have protected them from skin damage and the development of skin cancer. They would have been more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass on their genes, including those for darker skin. Section 6. The vitamin D connection. But as humans migrated away from the equator to higher latitudes, they encountered a different challenge: less sunlight. Sunlight is essential for our bodies to produce vitamin D, a crucial nutrient that helps us absorb calcium and build strong bones. In regions with less sunlight, having darker skin, while protective against UV radiation, could have made it difficult for our ancestors to produce enough vitamin D. Section 7. Beyond the tropics. This is where lighter skin tones became advantageous. As humans moved to regions with less intense sunlight, those with less melanin in their skin were better able to absorb the available UV radiation and produce sufficient vitamin D. Over generations, natural selection favored lighter skin in these environments, leading to the evolution of populations with a range of skin tones adapted to different latitudes. Section 8. Genetic heritage. It's important to note that skin color is a complex trait influenced by multiple genes, not just one. This means that there is a continuous spectrum of skin colors, not just a few distinct categories. Our skin color is a reflection of our genetic heritage, a story written in our DNA over thousands of years of human migration and adaptation. Section 9. Celebrating our differences. The diversity of human skin color is a testament to the power of evolution and a celebration of our species' remarkable ability to adapt to different environments. It's a reminder that our differences are what make us unique and that our shared humanity transcends the color of our skin. Section 10. A tapestry of skin tones. So the next time you see people with different skin colors, remember that you're witnessing a beautiful tapestry woven by the threads of evolution. Each shade of skin tells a story of human migration, adaptation, and survival. Let's celebrate the diversity of our species and work together to create a world where everyone feels valued and respected, regardless of the color of their skin.